Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create link from photos in Google Drive. So let's get started. So if you want to create a link from your photos in your Google Drive, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your Google Drive. So you can access your Google Drive through your Chrome browser. So what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome, and after opening up your Chrome browser from here, what you have to do is just simply search for drive.com and then log into your account. So after logging into your account, you will find this kind of interface. So from here, what you have to do is just simply head over to that image. So after heading over to that image, what you have to do is just simply select it, and after selecting that image, beside that image you will find the three dotted icon. So what you can do is just simply tap on that, and here you will find share option. Just tap on share, and you will find copy link option. Just tap on copy link, and after tapping on copy link, now you have successfully copied the link of the image in your drive. And now what you can do is just simply share it to anyone that you like. So for example, I'll just simply open up a new tab and then paste that link, and after doing that you will find the image. So this was the image that I have saved in my Google Drive. So now if someone taps on the shared link of the image, then they will be directed to the following image that you have sent. So that's it guys, this is how to create link for photos in Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.